Brad Williams XL prime, the mode function. Here's the mode function, and it doesn't work with crap, all right? If there's a tie, you just don't know what the outcome is going to be. It doesn't work with text, and if you see a string of numbers, in other words, if you find that there's only single numbers, Control D, this lovely useless function will do nothing for you. Again, it's XL. Don't expect much. Here we have 322311153. How many ones are there? 2. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3. It picks 3. Here we have 4 5s, so that's clearly, and then again, hit F9. It says 4 is the most occurring number. But look, we have how many 4s? 1, 2, 3. How many 1s? 3. The last time it took the lower number. Here it's taking the higher number. I throw my hands up. It is what it is. Brad Williams, XL Prime.